so we used to have like 300 chickens in here. Now this gate is totally gonna fall.
Fresh fruit.
The structural integrity is held up by this one gate. So go ahead, the chickens they will run away. Come on. And here come these are my favorites, the ducks. Yeah, you want to throw some tomatoes to the ducks? I'll let Colin, you can do some too.
Don't hit them though.
Yeah,
okay?
gentle.
Give one to me.
Yeah, try to give one to Con.
Woo!
You guys want to pet a chicken?
Careful,
So if you ever need to
careful.
pick up a chicken, if you hang it upside down for a little bit, all the blood rushes to their head and they calm down. So, here. Now you can
All right, you want Colin? You want to pet
Colin,
the
you wanna
pet
pet
the
that
chicken?
pet the chicken?
I want to pet the rooster.
So you can pet it right on the back.
Oh, no. Leave his head alone.
Yeah. They're pretty friendly. Yeah.